sun's out. La 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 la. And it feels so good. La 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 la. On the right side. La 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 la. And it feels so good. Let's go. La 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 la. Praying hands to the Father. Oh, way too good to be bothered. Oh, living life with no stress. Yes, every minute's my best. Yes, feel like I'm winning.
Happy
Happy
7th birthday,
Yana! Yana, my princess. Wait lang kuya, wala kasi ako na ano eh.
Right side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh.
Happy birthday, anak. We just want you to know na andito parati si nanay tsaka si tatay para suportahan lahat ng dreams ninyo, lahat ng gusto nyong maabot sa buhay. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, kayong dalawa ni kuya mo, and we are very proud of you and your Kuya Yuan. Happy birthday.
Living on the right side. It's that tank top weather, oh. All my friends get together, oh. Feel it couldn't be better, yes. Tell me this is forever, yeah. Summer days they're getting hotter, shit getting up out the water, baby. It's
Happy birthday, Julia. Sana paglaki mo, mabait ka pa rin, parang ako.
I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, glossy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. Ooh, I love the world today.
Happy birthday, Julia, Yana. Happy 7th birthday. Enjoy mo lang yung pagkabata mo. Galing sa amin ni Ate Juno, Ate Weng at kay Tito Vince. Happy birthday.
The chemistry's right. I'm feeling so alive. Dreams flying in the sky. And I'm never coming back. I'm living on the bright side.
Happy birthday anak, Yana. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng tatay mo at ng Kuya Yuan mo. Sana manatili kang malambing at saka mapagmahal na anak. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, lalo na yung maging doctor at saka Miss Universe at the same time. So, tutuparin natin yan basta ginusto mo anak. Para sa'yo, lahat gagawin namin ng tatay mo. Salamat sa pagmamahal at pagdala ng joy sa amin. I love you. Happy birthday.
I'm living on the bright side. 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 I'm living on the bright side.